Welcome to the final part, logging out, a calm, clear coding tutorial. This is the final step in our Build a Login from Scratch in Next.js series. In this video, we'll log the user out by deleting the session and clearing the cookie. We'll do this so the server no longer recognizes the user. Here's a demo of what we're building. I'm currently logged in. If I click Log Out, I'm taken to a page that confirms I've been logged out. And if I go back to the home page, I'm treated as if I never logged in. Logging the user out in code is actually very simple. We delete the session from the database, and we remove the cookie from the browser. That's it. Here's the logout route. Just like before, I've added comments so we can follow it step by step. First, we try to retrieve the session ID from the cookie. If there's no session ID, the user isn't logged in, and so we don't need to log them out. Next, we delete the session from the database. This makes the server forget the user ever logged in. Then we delete the cookie from the browser. This ensures the browser no longer stores the session ID. No session in the database and no session in the browser. Finally, we redirect the user to a confirmation page. This gives clear feedback that the logout worked. This page just displays a simple message: "You have been logged out," and gives the user a way to return home. Let's walk through what we're doing one more time. We try to read a session ID from the cookie. If there is a session ID in the cookie, we delete the session corresponding to that ID. We clear the cookie, and the user is logged out. The server no longer recognizes the user. At this point, you've built a complete login system from scratch. You can sign up, log in, stay logged in with sessions, and log out. This is the foundation of authentication. If this kind of direct autism-friendly tutorial is helpful, subscribing is a great way to find your way back here. Thank you for watching, and let's keep learning and growing together. If you'd like to support what I'm building, I have a couple of products available on Patreon. There are affirmations to support your coding journey, and an Autistic Coder reference guide to help you learn. The link is patreon.com/autisticcoder. Thank you for your financial support.